Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Sakar Naukri Express. Here you can get regular verified government job updates. For instant notifications, kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Kindly bear up with the crackers noise at the background as everyone is celebrating Deepam right here and I am recording the video for you friends. As you see in thumbnail, the most awaited technical recruitment is out by Oil India Limited. First, let me give you the glimpse or overview about the notification process and let me proceed up with the further detailed explanation. The total vacancy called for the recruitment was about 143. The scale of pay was between 37,000 to 1,45,000. The age restrictions was between 18 to 35 and given some age relaxations. The mode of selection was taking place through a computer based test and the mode of application was through online mode only, and the fees for applying the application was about 200 for general and OBC candidates, and all other candidates has been exempted from the application fee. And from which department can you apply for this particular post? So you need to have a 3 years of diploma completion in the technical branches of mechanical or civil or chemical or computer or electrical or electronics and telecommunication or instrumentation technology. This is the official notification released by Oil India Limited. First, let us see the number of vacancies according to various departments. Before that, keep in mind that you should have completed your 3 years diploma course. So if you are pursuing your last year, you cannot be an eligible candidate for applying this particular recruitment. So you must have completed your 3 years diploma course. So let us see the vacancies. For chemical engineering department, it is about 8, and for civil it was about 12, and for computer engineering it was about 5, and for electrical engineering it was about 21, and for electronics and telecommunication it was 3, and for instrumentation and technology it was about 32, and for mechanical engineering the number of vacancies is high compared to other branches. It was about 65 vacancies. According to reservation based, the number of vacancies has been splitted up, and this is the official split up given by Oil India Limited for the particular recruitment. When it comes to age limit, for general category candidates, the minimum age was 18 and the maximum age was 30 years. For SC/ST candidates, the minimum age was 18 and the maximum was about 35. So for OBC non-creamy layer candidates, the minimum age was 18 and the maximum was 33 years. You need to keep in mind that the crucial cutoff date for this age restrictions was 9th of December. So during the last date of application, that is 9th of December, you should have the minimum age qualification and the maximum age qualification. That is, you should have completed your 18 years of age and you should not exceed the 30 years of age for general categories. So like this, the respective cost wise, the age restrictions will apply. The selection methodology of the candidates taking place through a computer based test. So in this computer based test, you need to get some qualifying marks for the next round of interview process. So the minimum qualifying marks for SC/ST candidates was about 40% and all other candidates need to get minimum of 50% marks. So in this computer based test, the questions will be asked from English language, reasoning, arithmetic and mental ability, and your technical core knowledge will be asked. So your technical core knowledge will have the higher percentage of weightage, which is around 60%. Once you have been selected through the examination process, then you will be given a probation period of about 12 months, and if your performance are being satisfactory, then you will get the confirmation letter. If your performance was not satisfactory, then you will be given a 6 months of extension, and if further your performance was even though not satisfactory, then again 6 months of extensions will be given. So first you will be given a 12 months of probation period. If you have completed your probation period with satisfaction, then you will given the permanent confirmation letter. If not, you will be followed by 6 months extension. Again, if you not satisfactory, 6 months extension will be given. So in this total 2 years of probation, if your performance is not satisfactory, then you will be terminated and further confirmation will not be done. So but if you have done your performance well in the first 12 months itself, then you will be get a confirmed job. And right now, how to apply for this recruitment? So this is the official website of Oil India Limited, where you can see the notification link and the application online link. This is the application link where you can register yourself and proceed to application process. So let me attach the notification PDF and the application and the website link in the description box so that you can easily approach it. Kindly share the video with your friends who is in need of job with the eligible qualification. Kindly let us know your feedback in the comment section to improve us, and kindly support us to grow by subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching.